Webinar number 5. We're going to discuss maintaining balance. In a lot of the webinars we've covered so far, we've discussed offensive play. We now have to move over to maintaining balance and defensive play. And in this week's webinar, Okay, so what do we mean with defensive balance or maintaining balance? Obviously, the objective of football as an invasion game is to attack the opposition and score as many goals as possible. But also, you have to be aware and maintain the balance defensively. Otherwise, you'll be one of those teams that scores lots of goals and concedes lots of goals, which doesn't give you results. The main difference between offensive and defensive play is in offensive, you're looking at flair and movement and interaction of positions. In defensive play, you're looking as a unit. The unit has to move together and has to be patient and wait for the opposition to lose the ball to recover the ball. That's the fundamental difference between offensive and defensive. So, how do we defend as a unit? As a 4-man unit or 5-man defense, the key is to operate as a unit. One of the players has to apply pressure on the offense. The other 4 have to maintain balance and depth, waiting for the opposition to make the ball predictable for us to recover it. So it's key to follow 4 principles when you're doing defensive play. Number 1, pressure. Number 2, depth. The depth of the opposition, the depth of your teammates in relation to you. Number 3, balance. To maintain the balance, you got one guy applying pressure, you got one guy covering, and you got 2 guys making sure that there is balance. And last but not least, make the play predictable. When we make the opposition play across or play long, we recover the ball. That's how we maintain balance.